In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts to another Gmail account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have all of your contacts synchronized on a Gmail account and you would like to transfer them elsewhere, then you will be able to use a function built into Gmail itself to get this done. So I recommend doing this through the Contacts app. In the Contacts app, tap the three dots to open the menu. This is going to differ for every single phone. On Samsung devices, you have to tap these three dots and go over to Manage, but for you, it could be the menu at the top left with three lines or even the top right. Basically, find the option to open the menu, and then you need to find the option to manage your contacts. Now, in here, the function that you want to use is going to be export contacts. As the name suggests, this allows you to transfer them elsewhere. So choose export contacts. And now, among the options, you will be able to export them to internal storage. This will create a file containing all of the contacts. You can either select to have all of your contacts, like this example here, or you can choose specific ones that you would like to have included to transfer over. Once you choose internal storage from the list of options to where you can export your contacts to, a new file will be generated. As you can see, contacts.vcf. And basically, all that you have to do now is open this file when you are signed into the new account. You can do this through the Contacts app or even a file manager. If you want to use it on another device, then you just transfer it over to that new device and you tap it here, or you switch accounts through the Contacts app and then you can find the option to import. So if you go over to the same Manage Contacts menu and you choose Import, you can now load the file that you've made. Of course, you need to be signed into the new Google account in order to have these contacts appear on the new Google account, or you can use the Google app or website and import them from there, whatever you prefer. So either sign into the Gmail account on the Contacts app or your phone, or use the Google website. Regardless of which option you pick, you basically just need to use the VCF file that you've created containing all of your contacts. Once you open that file, when you are signed into the new account, the contacts will now be synchronized on the new account as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer contacts to another Gmail account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.